Hi, Jett. I'm going to read a book that's called Good Night Construction Site. There's the construction site, and there's the moon. He's sleeping. Good night, construction site. All right. So here's the construction site in the day. All the stuff that's going on. And this says, down in the big construction site, the tough trucks work with all their might to build a building, make a road, to get the job done, load by load. See? There's the bulldozer and the dump truck and the crane and the digger and the dump truck. See all of them? Yeah. Yeah. The sun has set and the work is done. It's time for trucks to end their fun. Some by one that they'll all go to bed. So one by one they'll all go to bed to yawn and rest their sleepy heads. Then wake up to another day of rough and tough construction play. See? They're all getting ready to go to bed because the sun's getting ready to go down. They're all lined up and they're watching it. They've had a long day. So, here's the crane. See the crane? To working hard to help his team, crane truck raises one last beam. There he is. Raises it up. Reaching high and lifting, stretching, lifting high. He reaches the beam up to the sky. He'll set it down right on its mark. Then off to bed. It's almost dark. See, there he goes. It's almost dark. Yeah. He slowly folds his boom back in, and then with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself in nice and tight and cuddle up to say good night. Shh, good night, crane truck, good night. He's got his teddy bear and his night light. See him there? He's going to sleep. Spinning, churning all day long, cement mixer sings his whirly songs. Now, yawn. He's weary and so dizzy from the fun that keeps him very busy. See him? There he is. With one last spin, he pours the load. He's ready now to leave the road. He's pouring the last load he's got. There he is. He takes a bath and gets shiny bright and pulls his chute and turns off his light. See? Getting all clean, ready to go to bed. He cuts his engine and slows his drum to dreams of sweet dreams of twirly fun. Shh, good night, cement mixer, good night. See, he's got his blanket. He's ready to go night-night for the night. Dump truck loves to work and haul. See him? Yeah. He carries loads both big and small. Both big, lots of stuff, and small. He moves the dirt from place to place and dumps it with a happy face. See him? He's a really happy guy. Yeah. With one final load spills on, the heap crunch. Now dump truck's tired and wants to sleep. There he is. Yeah. He lowers his bed and locks his gate and rests his wheels. It's getting late. He dims his lights and then shuts his doors, and soon his engine slows to snores. Shh, good night, dump truck, good night. There he is, he's snoring. But you see the guy over here in the building, he goes, hey, keep it down. Because he's snoring so loudly, yeah. There he is, he's snoring. Pushing with his mighty blade, see him? There he is. Pushing with his mighty blade, bulldozer works to smooth the grade. He clears the way to level ground and fills the air with a thunderous sound. See him pushing all that dirt around, yeah. He's a big guy. No one's as tough and strong as he, but now he's a little sleepy as can be. Yeah. He puffs some smoke out of his stack. He turns off his engine and stops his tracks. There he is, stopped his track. He's ready to go night-night. He curls up in his soft dirt bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Shh, good night, bulldozer, good night. See him, he's tucked in there in the dirt pile. Oh, looks very comfy, doesn't he? Yeah. There's the digger, the excavator. Scooping gravel, dirt, and sand, the excavator shapes the land. He digs and lifts throughout the day, but now it's time to end his play. A few more holes to dig, and soon he'll roll to bed beneath the moon. There he is, all of those things that he has dug. He's getting ready to stop, though. It's time to go to bed. Yawn. He twirls upon his bumpy track. He pulls up his boom and stretches his back. Oh, gosh. Papa needs to do that, too. He sets his scoop down on the ground and snuggles up without a sound. See him? There he goes. Shh. Good night, digger. Good night. Yeah. These big trucks, so tough and loud, they work so hard, so rough, so proud. Tomorrow is another day, another chance to work and to play. See them all? Yeah. They're all sleeping together, huh? Turn off your engines and stop your tracks. Relax your wheels, your stacks and backs. No more huffing and puffing, team. It's time to rest your heads and dream. Yeah. Construction site. All the trucks tucked in tonight. The day is done. Turn off the lights. Good night. Oh, great work today. Now, shh. Good night. See, there they all are. See them? Yeah. They're all tucked in there. The end. All right. I hope you like that book. I like it a lot. Love you.